Good morning, students. So, in my online classes, I have discussed the exercises of "Trees Are the Kindest Thing I Know," a poem written by Harry Ben. So, students, as already we have discussed a lot about the importance of trees in my previous videos, but still I am just trying to summarize the poem so that it will make you easy to do the exercises. So, trees are the things which according to the poet are the kindest thing which we used to be familiar with in our life, because trees never used to demand anything from anyone. They only used to grow without harming anyone. They used to give shades to the cows, to the shelter to the birds, and for the human beings there are numerous things that they used to give us. They are the things which hold the sun rays at the beginning, and till last moment they are the trees are the things which holds the light, and they never used to demand, and so they we can't measure the greatness or the importance of trees in our life. So on that basis we now are going to do the worksheets of this. So for that we will have the after that a summary of that poem. We will have the exercises of the poetry. So in first exercise, as you can see in your book, and I am trying to make it on my screen also, that it is there are some fill in the blanks, in which we have to fill the blanks with certain words which are present in the poem, and it will make the summary of that poem. So the trees are the kindest of all the things we know, because they do not harm anyone. They grow peacefully and their branches peacefully, because they grow peacefully and spread their branches all around. Cows rest in their shade, and birds gather to rest in their boughs. When the day begins, the first beam of the sun falls on the tree. They are last to hold the light of the sun when the day turns into night. During the night, the moon floats on the sky, and the leaves moves about silently humming a lullaby to help the children sleep. The trees have been serving mankind selflessly for ages. So the summary of the poem, that summary of the poem is that trees are doing a number of kind acts for the human beings, for the living beings, and it is not from today or yesterday or tomorrow, it is from ages. Hence they are the kindest things we know. Now in number B5 we have to mention 3 acts of kindness done by trees according to the poet Harry Ben. So we will write, I have written it over here, but you can add or you can write something else which you think these things have been done by the tree. Trees spread their shade all around. Trees gives fruit to us. Trees do not harm anyone. Now, in next exercise, what we have to do, we have to write the rhyming words. Suppose, no, grow, so, low, cow, bow, arouse, house, begun, sun, none, done. And now in the next exercise, that is B6, what do we have to do? We have to write the similar meaning words for the words. The branches of a tree, bow. A song that's sung to put a baby to sleep, it's lullaby, Lullaby. Sleepy, drowsy, Drowsy. To sing in a low tone, that is hum. Rays, beams. So students, this is the small exercises which are having in this chapter. After that we are having value based question, which we are going to discuss in our next class. And the question is, and you all are going to try to answer it. First we will discuss it in the class, then I will narrate you the answer. So what is the question? The question, the value based question is, why does the poet call the tree kind? Choose from the option given from the following. They gave us many things. They do not ask anything in return. They do not harm anyone. All of the above. Explain with reason. Why, what, and the next one is, what do trees teaches us? So in tomorrow's online class we will discuss these two questions, and then we will write the answers of these questions. So this is for all. For one more thing, that I am sharing the poem in the group, and you all are going to see the video, as well as you are going to learn the poem. This is the home assignment given by me for today. Okay.